Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Thursday, May 25th, I do believe. Oh, 24th. Sorry about that. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Oh boy. Nice size box. This is coming from ATAILORBIRD US. Alrighty. The link is going to be down below where you guys can take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping. Get this to you in no time. Whatever this may be. Cut there. Cut here. What do we have here? Oh, okay. I remember talking to these guys. This is really cool. This is coming from Bob case. Do you believe? Nice little tube. Boom. You get inside and see what this is all about. And like I said, you guys can take advantage right now. Click on their link. You get one of these at a low cost. And hopefully you guys had a good week so far. Everybody is doing good. It is getting hot. So you guys gotta stay cool out there. It's like 80 degrees right now by us here in Michigan. So finally summer is here. We got Memorial Day weekend upon us. So I might be taking off Saturday and Sunday. I'm not sure yet though. But here we go. We got this open up. It's definitely useful. There we go. Got some straps. Alright. We don't need that no more. Whoa. That thing's huge. This is like a giant mouse pad right here. Spill proof. It comes with a little strap. Not sure what this is for, but we'll figure it out later. Awesome. Focus. Hey, why won't you focus? There we go. B. So really nice mat right here. Boom. Put some mouse pad on it. Oh, it's reverse. Reverse. Cool. And backwards. That's definitely nice for your computer desk. There they are. BUBM case. Right on Amazon. This is a nice, huge mouse pad. Put many things on it. Definitely come in handy. So there you have it, YouTubers. Giant mouse pad coming from these guys on Amazon Prime. And check them out, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a good one. And see you guys back later. See ya.